So today in K3, K4 classroom, we mixed color. And we were talking about primary colors. These are yellow, blue, and red. All other colors are a mixture of those three colors. So first of all, the kids learn about what these primary colors are. And then we start to mix together and see how we create more colors. So we took the yellow color and we mixed with red color. And we find out that's the way to create orange. The orange color is a mixture of two colors. And we took the yellow color and the blue color, we mixed it together, and we find out that that's the way to make the green color. These are secondary colors. So they learned how to create new colors. They made a prediction what they think will come out if we mix two different colors together. And it was a very lovely day and lovely experience. Thank you.
Today we use different kind of materials to check on the circuit to see if it is a conductor or if it is an insulator. Hadar, what do you have?
I have a plastic
So can you check and show us if it is insulator or conductor?
insulator.
Good. Hannah, what do you have?
I have a conductor.
Can you show us? Oh, the light is on. How about you, William? What do you have?
And I have a paper clip.
And can you check it?
This doctor.
Conductor. Good. Kush, what do you have?
I have a razor insulator.
Good. And how about you, Va?
I have glasses. That's insulator.
Yes. We even find out that our body is a conductor. Can you show us? Hmm? On, off, on, off, on, off. Yay!
Light cuts on near the power line. Don't put your finger in the socket.
Hi, today the grade 1 class did an experiment with Coca-Cola and Mentos. We were seeing what reaction took place. So we dropped Mentos into the Coke bottle and it made an explosion, kind of like this. The reason why is because the texture of the Mentos is rough, and when it's plopped into the Coca-Cola, it has a reaction with causing carbon dioxide to form rapidly and there to be a big burst of bubbles. Thank you.
So grade 2 students, we have an experiment called sink or float experiment. So we have a tank of water here. Every student, they brought an object from their home and to see if that thing sinks or floats on the water. So one student, Luke, he brought a Pokemon ball. It's actually a pencil sharpener. You can open it. So when he dropped the ball like this, it floats because it traps air inside. And when he opens the ball, it sinks to the bottom because it's made of metal and it's more dense than water. That's why it sinks. So through this experiment, we learned the object more dense than water, it will sink to the bottom, and the object less dense than water, it will float. That's our experiment. Thank you. Gold is heavier. Okay. Anyone agree with her? Raise your hand.
So today we did a bubble catching experiment. We wanted to test different materials to see if they are hydrophobic, which means they repel water, or hydrophilic, which means they attract water. Now, Chada and Talia are going to demonstrate the experiment for us. So girls, is this aluminium foil hydrophobic, repels water, or hydrophilic, attracts water?
Hydrophilic.
Hi, this is 4th grade and we want to show you our science experiments that we did today on surface tension. All right, we have Dean and Miguel and Omar and Rick, and they are going to demonstrate for you and I will narrate. All right, so we have, what is this? Whole milk and soy milk. So surface tension happens when molecules are really close together. So we are going to do our experiment, see if we can drop one little drop in there, and see if maybe dish soap will break it up. Dish soap is very unique because the molecules are hydrophilic and hydrophobic. And this means, okay, you drop yours. Hold on one second. This means that they love fat and hate water, and they also love water. That's very unique, okay? So we'll see what reactions our milks have to our dish soap. If it breaks the surface tension, okay, drop it in. Did you drop it?
Yes.
Did it work?
Yes.
Oh, and what do we see it doing, Omer?
It's spreading.
Why?
It doesn't have so much fat in it.
So, because the milk has so much fat, we can see that it is making it the food coloring. Can we see it moving all around? Well, the food coloring is trying to push away the water in the milk. It has broken the surface tension and is trying to push away the water and absorb the fat and go to the fat. That's why it's moving all around. Is it working over here? Let's see. Now it should move even more over here in the whole milk. So we see it really creating a pattern in here, right? And then here it kind of just spread apart, right? What did we learn about surface tension?
If you put soap to break surface tension and you use something that has a lot of fat and something that has less fat, the one that has more fat, there will be more food coloring. If you put food and the one with less fat, there'll be the same amount but in one place.
Oh, right. It doesn't move as much, right?
Yes.
Because the dish soap is trying to find the fat, right? And so it's moving all around. Okay.
Hi, today in the morning we had some experiments with grade 5. We used water, cornstarch, and then we were trying to show the kids an effect that when you apply some pressure on it, you have a solid substance. But then when you just release the force and then you just gentle and soft with it, it is liquid. So the kids enjoy it. We had a great time together. And I think they not only learned, but they also had fun. It was a great day for us.
Hi, I'm Mr. Igink from ILP.
I'm Mr. Ruber.
Today for Science Day, we did 2 science demonstrations. And one of them, we extracted the DNA from strawberries, as we can see here, so that our students could visually witness the DNA coming straight out of strawberries.
And then we did another experiment called static electricity. So you can put this one on your hair and you can get some.
Whee!
Yes.
Almost magic.
Yeah.